So guys, welcome back. In the last tutorial we talked about how to create a bot with BotFather and then linking the bot created with BotPress. Now in this tutorial we're going to be going over creating commands and responses via BotPress. So how do we do this? So once you are logged in into the BotPress platform, what you need to do now is that you go over to manage commands.
It's 3 o'clock.
Then now once we are here, there are two ways of actually getting commands into a particular bot. One is by using the add command here and filling in this form, and the other is by using the import command feature, whereby you import an Excel file following the methods of the file, which I will state soon, which you can now you then import over here, and the bots just have that recorded for you. So now let's first use this add command feature. Now for you should note also there are two commands that you need to create at first. Now one is the greeting command and the other is the welcome command. So what does the greeting command do? The greeting command is the details that will be shown to a member that has joined a particular group your bot is in. So let's say a particular user joins into a group now and you've gotten your bot in that particular group. The message in this greeting command will be shown to that particular new user. While the welcome command, this shows a greeting for a particular user who have messaged the bot via the private chat. So now let's do this and we'll show a little explanation on how that works. So let me use the add command and add greeting. So you can leave this alternative command as empty. We'll come back to that when we are in the manage keyboard section. So now let me just say, once the new user joins into the group, what should the bot respond? The bot should respond with welcome. Now we can use this prefix here, $name. So what this means is that the bot should automatically return the name of the new user who has joined into the group into this particular message. So that kind of personalizes the greeting message for that particular user. So welcome name to the demo press group. Then the status as active, obviously. Then you click on save. So that saves the command into the bot. Now we want to add the other command also, which is the greeting, which is the welcome command. So to do this, I'll use the import command feature. So how do I get the format I need to have the Excel file in so that I'll be able to import this in? To get that, just click on this Excel button here, then just save this file. So I'll save that. That should be on my desktop now. So I'll just load that up. As you can see, this is it here. So now this is the file I've just exported via the BotPress. So now I want to add the welcome command. How do I do that? Just come here, enter the command you want to add, the name of the command. If you wanted to have an alternative command, you type that in here. So I'm going to leave this empty now. Then the bot name will be the name of the bot we've created. So remember that the name of this particular bot over here now is BotPress. As you can see, sorry, DemoPress. As you can see, this is the name here. So just copy this over here. Then you paste it in here. Then the details of this. So now this is going to be shown for users that private messages the bot in a private chat. So you just want to say welcome, kindly make use so now this will be shown to users who messages the bot privately. So you can leave all these empty and just save. So now you'll be wondering that what if I import this already existing command inside the BotPress? What will happen? Well, automatically the system will ignore any duplicate commands. So it will only add new commands into the system. So let's try that now. Let's upload the file. So I will just select this, import. So wait for that to import. As you can see, it says command import successful, and now we have this new command. So you can either use the add command here or use the import command here. So basically those are the two ways you can import inside the system. So now let's test this out. We want to make sure that this is working. How do we test if this is working? We go over to the bot, then we message the bot privately. So before we do that, I also want to show you a feature. If you come over to the manage users here now, you would see that there are no particular users presently listed here. So now let's go and message the bot. So to do that, we just go over and click this here. As you can see, this is the bot demo press. Then we click on start. So automatically we should get a response from, as you can see, we got a response, welcome, kindly make use of the bot commands. So that means that the command we've set here is actually working. So now another feature is that this lists all the users in the particular that have messaged your bot privately. If I should refresh this now, I should be able to get the new name and details of the new user. As you can see, this is my details here, and it says this is the time I messaged the bot, 3:05 West African time. So and the type of the chat, whether the user is a group or a private chat. So now that means the setup we've done here is now working successfully, and the bot is able to respond to any new user that messages the bot. So in the next tutorial, we'll be talking about how to manage keyboard, how to add keyboards into the bot. Thank you very much and stay tuned.